Imagine a world transformed. Picture intelligent machines working alongside us. They learn, adapt, and solve problems. This is the promise of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's no longer science fiction. AI is rapidly becoming our reality. It's already changing our lives in countless ways. But this is only the beginning. The future holds even greater potential for AI to reshape our world. AI will touch every aspect of our existence, from healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment. AI will be the driving force behind innovation and progress. It will create new possibilities and challenges. Understanding AI is no longer optional. It's crucial for everyone to grasp its implications. Join us as we explore the exciting and uncharted territory of AI's impact on our future. AI is poised to revolutionize entire industries, bringing about changes that were once thought to be the stuff of science fiction. Healthcare is a prime example of this transformation. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases with incredible accuracy, reducing the chances of human error and speeding up the diagnostic process. Picture personalized treatment plans, tailored to your unique genetic makeup, ensuring that you receive the most effective care possible. AI can analyze vast amounts of medical data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, identifying patterns and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. This will lead to breakthroughs in drug discovery and disease prevention, potentially saving millions of lives and improving the quality of life for countless others. The financial industry is another sector ripe for AI disruption, with the potential to change the way we manage and invest our money. AI algorithms can analyze market trends with lightning speed, providing insights that can help investors make more informed decisions. This empowers investors to make smarter decisions, potentially increasing their returns and reducing their risks. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer service, providing instant support and resolving issues more efficiently than ever before. They provide instant support and personalized financial advice, making it easier for customers to get the help they need when they need it. Transportation is also undergoing a massive AI-driven transformation, with self-driving cars and smart traffic systems becoming more common. Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are becoming a reality, promising to make our roads safer and our commutes more efficient. They are becoming a reality, with companies around the world testing and deploying these advanced vehicles. AI is making our roads safer and our commutes more efficient, reducing traffic congestion and improving overall transportation systems. Logistics companies are using AI to optimize delivery routes and reduce transportation costs, ensuring that goods are delivered more quickly and efficiently. Manufacturing is another industry being reshaped by AI, with robots automating repetitive tasks and increasing productivity. Robots powered by AI are automating repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative work. This increases productivity and efficiency, allowing companies to produce more goods at a lower cost. AI-powered systems can also monitor equipment and predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime and saving businesses money, ensuring that operations run smoothly and efficiently. The rise of AI will undoubtedly transform the job market. Some jobs will be automated, leading to job displacement. This is a legitimate concern that we must address proactively. However, history has shown that technological advancements also create new job opportunities. The demand for AI professionals, such as data scientists and machine learning engineers, is skyrocketing. New jobs will emerge in fields that we can't even imagine yet. It's crucial for us to adapt to this changing landscape. We must embrace lifelong learning and acquire new skills to thrive in the AI-powered economy. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in preparing the workforce for the future. We need to invest in retraining programs and provide opportunities for people to acquire the skills needed for the jobs of tomorrow. AI's influence extends far beyond the workplace. It's permeating every aspect of our society, shaping how we live, learn, and interact with each other. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, making our lives easier and more efficient. In education, AI is personalizing the learning experience. It's not just about replacing traditional methods, but enhancing them. Imagine intelligent tutoring systems that adapt to each student's pace and learning style. These systems can identify strengths and weaknesses, providing tailored support to ensure every student reaches their full potential. AI can provide real-time feedback to both students and teachers, helping them identify areas for improvement. This immediate feedback loop is crucial for effective learning and development. AI-powered tools can also automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring and mentoring their students. This means more time for creative teaching and less time on paperwork. AI is also transforming governance and communication. It's not just about efficiency, but also about making informed decisions that benefit the public. Governments can use AI to improve public services, enhance decision-making, and increase transparency. This can lead to more responsive and accountable governance. AI-powered translation tools are breaking down language barriers, fostering greater understanding and collaboration across cultures. This is crucial in our increasingly globalized world. In our daily lives, AI is already ubiquitous. It's in our homes, our cars, and even in our pockets. Our smartphones are powered by AI assistants that respond to our voice commands. These assistants can set reminders, send messages, and even control smart home devices. AI algorithms curate our social media feeds, recommend products we might like, and even help us find romantic partners. It's shaping our digital experiences in ways we might not even realize. As AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, it's imperative that we address the ethical considerations. The rapid advancement of AI technology brings with it a host of challenges that society must navigate carefully. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for AI to amplify existing biases. These biases can be deeply ingrained in the data that AI systems are trained on, reflecting historical and societal prejudices. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they will perpetuate and even exacerbate those biases. This can have far-reaching consequences, affecting decisions and outcomes in critical areas. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. For instance, an AI system used in hiring might favor certain demographics over others, or a lending algorithm might unfairly deny loans to specific groups. We must ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly. This involves rigorous testing, continuous monitoring, and the inclusion of diverse perspectives in the development process. Transparency, accountability, and fairness should be paramount. Developers and organizations must be open about how AI systems are created and used, and they must be held accountable for their impacts. Another ethical concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI and automation technologies advance, many traditional jobs may be at risk. While AI will create new jobs, it will also automate existing ones. This shift requires a proactive approach to workforce development and job transition. We need to have a plan in place to address the societal impact of job displacement. This includes policies and programs that support workers in transitioning to new roles and industries. This could involve providing a social safety net, investing in retraining programs, or exploring new economic models. By doing so, we can help ensure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly across society. Privacy is another crucial consideration. As AI systems become more integrated into our daily lives, they collect and analyze vast amounts of data. AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of data about our online and offline behavior. This data can be incredibly valuable, but also poses significant risks if not handled properly. We need to ensure that this data is used responsibly and that individuals' privacy is protected. Robust data protection measures and clear regulations are essential to safeguard personal information in the age of AI. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of AI are immense. AI has the power to address some of the world's most pressing problems. In healthcare, AI can help us diagnose diseases earlier, develop new treatments, and improve patient care. AI can analyze climate data to help us understand and mitigate the effects of climate change. AI-powered systems can optimize energy consumption, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. In disaster relief, AI can help us predict natural disasters, coordinate relief efforts, and save lives. AI can also empower individuals with disabilities. AI-powered prosthetic limbs are becoming increasingly sophisticated, restoring mobility and independence to amputees. AI-powered assistive technologies can help people with visual or hearing impairments navigate the world around them. The AI revolution is upon us. It's transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. Rather than fearing the unknown, We should embrace the possibilities that AI offers. We need to approach AI with a sense of curiosity, responsibility, and optimism. We need to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI. We need to work together to ensure that AI is developed and used for the benefit of all humanity. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it. The future of AI is brimming with possibilities. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will continue to transform our world in ways we can only imagine. We may see the emergence of artificial general intelligence, which would have the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can. AGI could revolutionize scientific research, accelerate technological advancements, and solve some of the world's most intractable problems. However, the development of AGI also raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. We need to start thinking about these questions now to ensure that we are prepared for the future. The future of AI is not something to be feared. It's an opportunity to create a better world for ourselves and future generations. The world of AI is vast and constantly evolving. We've only just scratched the surface of its potential. If you're as fascinated by AI as we are, we invite you to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Subscribe to our channel AI Adventures to stay up to date on the latest AI news, insights, and breakthroughs. Together, let's explore the exciting world of AI and unlock its potential to create a brighter future for all. Don't miss out on the adventure. Subscribe to AI Adventures and stay ahead of the curve in the world of artificial intelligence.